Hello, myself Dr. Sharda Devre, Associate Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Amravati, Maharashtra. Our institute has started a national campaign on Tinospora cordifolia Amrita for Life, which is sponsored by National Medicinal Plant Board NLPB, Ministry of Ayush, Delhi, India in 2020. Under this national campaign, our institute has organized poster competition, quiz competition, workshops, seminars, interactions with students, farmers, and women group so that the upcoming generations or population should get aware about the various therapeutic benefits of giloy, which is traditionally well known popular plant in various systems of medicines like ayurveda, siddha, and unani. So, taken into consideration the today's topic, that is cultivation, processing, and marketing of value-added products of giloy by tribal and farmer, will surely have the impact so that extra income avenues can be generated for socio-economic empowerment of these groups. तो ये जो टॉपिक की आज हम इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करेंगे तो उसमें गिलोय को कैसे कल्टीवेट कर सकते हैं और उसके कौन कौन से वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स की मार्केट में डिमांड है और ये जो महिलाएं हैं या आदिवासी जनजाति है या किसान है वो बना के उनको मार्केट में ला सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले कि व्हाट इज गिलोय गुडुची गुडवेल। देर आर वेरियस नेम्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लांट। ये जो प्लांट है ये एक क्लाइंबर है, बेल वर्गीय वनस्पति है और जो बड़े बड़े ट्रीज के ऊपर जनरली बढ़ती है। इसको सपोर्ट की जरूरत है, होस्ट प्लांट की जरूरत है और ये बेल वर्गीय क्लाइंबर, इट इज अ क्लाइंबर। तो इसको अलग अलग नाम है, गिलोय, गुडुची, गुड़वेल, अमृता, चक्रलक्षणा, कुंडलिनी। ये पूरे भारत में दिखाई देती है। इसका उपयोग पूरे भारत में किया जाता है। इसके जनरली ड्राइड स्टेम्स या फ्रेश स्टेम्स को थेरापेटिक पर्पस के लिए यूज किया जाता है, जैसे एंटी डायबिटिक, इम्यूनोमॉड्यूलेटर, एडाप्टोजेनिक, देन फॉर ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, फॉर एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी पर्पस, एंटी अर्थराइटिक पर्पस इसके बहुत उपयोग है। लेकिन उसके फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स, रूट्स और लीव्स को भी उपयोग में लाया जाता है। उसके दो तरीके के प्लांट रहते हैं, गिलोय मेल प्लांट्स एंड गिलोय फीमेल प्लांट्स. Both plants can be separated or differentiated based on the morphological and microscopical characters. If you will ask me, is there any chemical difference? So no. Therapeutically active chemical difference is not found or not reported, and both plants can be cultivated or can be taken into consideration for the utilization. Now, why to cultivate the giloy? Because yes, it is popular, it is immunobooster, it has the various therapeutic benefits, it has the demand not only in India, it is also outside. Even the COVID-19 pandemic has increased its demand threefold, fourfold, and hence it is need to be get cultivated because wild sources are not sufficient for the giloy product productions, and hence cultivation is a must. After cultivation, various types of the value added products like dry parts or powders of the various parts या alcohol extracts या जो वाटर डिकॉक्शन है, गुड़वेल सत्व जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट है उसको हम बना सकते हैं। गिलोय के न्यूट्रिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स हम बना सकते हैं। जो महिलाओं के बचत गट रहते हैं वो गिलोय के पिकल्स या ब्यूरेजेस, जूसेस, बिस्किट्स, लड्डू, कैंडीज बना के बेच सकते हैं। सन ड्राइड फ्रूट्स, फ्रूट जूसेस और शरबत, गिलोय टीज कैन बी also taken into consideration as a important value added product of giloy. And nowadays even the cosmetics of the giloy are coming in a market, so this is also the important value added product. How to cultivate? Now the for cultivation the most important part, it is a propagation material. तो stem cuttings are the best planting material. stem cuttings ये बहुत ही बेस्ट ऑप्शन है गिलोय के कल्टीवेशन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए. जून जुलाई मंथ इज मोस्ट सुटेबल मंथ फॉर द स्टार्ट ऑफ द कल्टीवेशन. Then this plant can be cultivated by the seeds, but it takes a lot of time or more time as compared to the cuttings. Generally this plant requires the support because it is a climber, and neem or mango tree are the best host plants or support for this giloy climber. Traditionally also neem giloy or mango giloy has the more value in the market, because it has been reported that neem and mango tree benefits, therapeutic benefits are also obtained if the giloy is growing on these plants. Then it can be grown in any type of the soil or under varying climatic conditions. It is grown in subtropical as well as tropical region. It requires the means it can be grown in any type of soil, but rich organic matter soil is more suitable. Adequate drainage is required. Water clogging is not good for the giloy cultivation. तो आपके पास कटिंग्स है, जून या जुलाई मंथ में आपको वो कटिंग्स को कल्टीवेट करना है, वाटर क्लॉगिंग को ध्यान में रखना है, और जो कटिंग्स आप लोगे उसको विद इन 24 hours यू शुड बी सोन, you means this cutting should be sown to avoid the further drying of the cuttings. जनरली ये जो कटिंग्स है मदर प्लांट से, वेल ग्रोन हेल्थी मदर प्लांट से ली जाती है. इफ देर इज अ टाइम फॉर द कल्टिवेशन, देन यू कैन कीप दिस कटिंग्स इन हाफ, or you can keep half dip these cuttings in the water. 25,000 cuttings are required for the 1 hectare. जो लैंड प्रिपरेशन या फर्टिलाइजर एप्लीकेशन है गिलोय कल्टीवेशन के लिए, तो जो नॉर्मल प्लोइंग या हरोइंग या विडिंग की जाती है नॉर्मली जो क्रॉप्स के लिए हम जमीन को, लैंड को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, उसी तरीके से करना है. ग्रीन मैन्योर्स को यूज किया तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. ऑप्टिमम स्पेसिंग शुड बी 3 meter by 3 meter between the two giloy plants, so that the growth can be good. Or as it is requires this support, so metal rods or bamboos or various host trees can be used as a support for the giloy cultivation. Then intercropping is also possible. Already we have discussed that it is required the host, so host plants can be the intercropping, or you can take the vegetable crops as an intercropping choice. Then interculture and maintenance practices requires the 2-3 weedings during the early stage of growth, so that to avoid the any type of the slow growth. Then extremes of cold and hot conditions may affect to the plant, and hence a proper irrigation is must. But water clogging or drainage clogging should be taken into consideration. No serious insect or pest infection is observed in case of giloy. After cultivation, giloy can be harvested within the 1 year. If its stem size is more than the 1 centimeter, diameter is more than the 1 centimeter, then it can be harvested. About 0.8 to 1 ton per hectare is yield can be obtained, or rupees 50 to 20 per kg market price can be obtained. If the extracts can be prepared and it can be sold in 100 rupees per kg, price also can be obtained. Fresh as well as dry stems of this giloy plant can be sell, and 60,000 rupees per hectare income can be started from the second year onwards, and up to rupees 1 lakh if extra plants are available on the host or host plants or big trees. uh, this is about the yield and the market of the giloy. Now, where we can cultivate? Suppose we don't have the land, in home garden or terrace garden or flat balconies or farm fencing also can be the good location for the cultivation of the giloy, and we can obtain some extra income avenues for that. So I hope that you have understood that what are the cultivation requirements and how you can start the cultivation even from the home terrace or even from the balconies, and slowly you can improve the cultivation, and you can prepare the value added production. Instead of cultivation, you can start the collection and preparation of the various value added products for the socio-economic growth of these tribal people, women or farmers. Thank you.